Hey there, guys. How you doing?
Well.
My name is Frank.
Nice to meet you, Frank.
Nice.
Jason.
Jason and Connor. Hey guys, I'm gonna show you something really cool real quick. It's pretty neat. Check it out. Look, my hands are clean and empty. But if you focus hard enough, right? Make a Sharpie appear out of nowhere. Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah, so I usually just do some crazy shit with this. Hey, you guys want to see something with cards?
Sure.
Sure? Cool. Alrighty. I guess I'll sit down right here.
You guys mind if we film it?
Go for it. Alrighty.
It's gonna be on his YouTube page. It's gonna be like one of those magic guys on Facebook.
Pretty much. Alrighty. You guys ever heard of a game called two-card Monte? No? Alright, it's basically a way for hustlers to get a quick buck out of somebody, right? But I'm not gonna like hustle you out of money. We're just pretending here. Okay, cool,
Sure.
Nice. So Jason and
Connor.
All right, Connor. Look, we got diamond here, right? And the heart, right? The heart goes on top. This is where you have to pay attention. The heart goes on top, just like that, right? I do that nice and fair. Now, if you could hold out your hand just like this, like if you're hanging onto a single card, perfect. I'm gonna hand you that top card, okay? So there's rules to the game. You can't turn your hand over afterward, you know, until we place our bets. We're just pretending, right? So my question to you is, do you think that's a heart or do you think that's a diamond?
I feel like it might be a diamond.
Diamond, all right. Why?
Because that was the initial card that you brought up. And
Okay.
Usually these things, so that one comes back.
The reason I ask that is because it allows me to like gauge someone's personality, see if they're skeptical or they're gullible. Some people believe everything you tell them and it's kind of scary, you know? All right, so go ahead, turn your hand over. It's the heart, right?
Okay.
So sometimes you just gotta trust your eyes, right? Don't trust them too much. Just kidding. Go ahead, turn your hand over. Like this, perfect. With the thumb and index, perfect. So here's the diamond. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna switch it really fast. All right, this is a move that required a lot of time. Check it out. That's one, and that's two. Okay, I know, you might think I'm bullshitting, right? I took the heart, left the diamond, now let's change one, and then change two, I switched it back. You now have the heart at the diamond. Does that make sense? You're just like, yeah, get the fuck out.
I don't know. I mean, like,
You don't think I changed it?
I feel like. This
No, you can be totally honest. Some people will call me out straight up like, hey, that's bullshit, man.
I feel like you tricked. You
Okay,
never actually
go ahead,
changed
turn
it.
it over.
I don't know.
What's the heart? Look, I'll tell you how I did do it. Here's a diamond. Watch, what I do is I go in with a diamond really fast. And I have to take that other card, and it happens just like that. Watch, keep your hand there, keep your hand there. Okay, now look, answer me this. It happens, guys, it happens. So,
I thought you said that.
no, let's go, no worries.
Could I actually ask you one last favor?
Sure.
I teach magic on YouTube, and I basically offered this open challenge. Hey, come perform street magic. Mistakes happen all the time, and I want to try to teach the people at home the same situation that happens. People flip over that card and they reveal something. So I just wanted really quick, if I could show it to you, a way to that the people at home watching could fix that in the future. So this trick requires the two black queens and the two red aces. Okay? So I'm gonna find the two black queens really quick and the two red aces. So this moment at the very end, here, go like this so you can hold the card. I'm just gonna go through the initial, what initially happened. So it's supposed to be like that, then this, then this. So this is where this card was revealed, where this card was flipped over. This initial, bam, that last steal. And a lot of people have the immediate impulse, just like you did, to look, did it switch? Did it switch? So what you have to do as the performer, show the card, do the switch, and what I always do to prevent this mistake from happening is I stab and I say, now without looking, and I hold onto the card. I hold it down so they can't turn it over.
Right.
And I say, you know, now without looking, but it's gotta be quick. It's gotta be like, here's the real switch, right there. Now without looking, what card would you bet is on top?
The hearts again.
And so then you tell them, go ahead, flip your hand over, and they would
the
reveal
queens are there.
the two switch cards. So thank you guys for just letting me like demonstrate that really quick, just so they can learn, see in real time, oh shit, that happens all the time, not just to me.
Right.
Here, so I can fix that in the future.
Yeah.
Cool. Thank you guys very much.
you.
I appreciate it.
Have a good one, guys.
You too.
Thanks
Have a good week. Have a good weekend.
I was just teasing you, by the way, man.
Have a good weekend, guys.
Thanks.
Should I take
Are you heading this?
Should I take the
Anything, yeah.
Okay.
If you want to talk about it.
Alrighty. So, my take on two-card Monte, I like to just storytell. Some people go immediately to the effect where they switch it, and that's fine. Me personally, I like to storytell, and it's just a matter of hit or miss sometimes, you know. he made a very good point about certain details or nuances when you're performing to make sure that you're under control. You know, sorry, that you're in control. And yeah, it happens.
It happens. It happens all the time. It happened to me countless times until I learned for myself, how do I fix that? How do I reverse engineer? How do I prevent them from doing what I don't want them to do?
Right.
And that's what magic is for you guys that are afraid to go out and fail.
Yeah. So feel good and keep going.
Yeah.